Now, crucial hearing in Supreme Court over Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The apex court will decide today on who will investigate the matter. During the hearing on August 5th, all the parties, Maharashtra, Bihar Centre and Sushant's father, were asked to file a reply over late actor's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty's plea seeking transfer of the case from Patna to Mumbai. On August 8th, the Maharashtra government submitted its reply opposing the CBI probe in the case. In fact, saying that Bihar government has no jurisdiction to ask for a probe by the central agency. It has even questioned the legitimacy of the Bihar police's probe in this case. Meanwhile, Sushant Singh's father, K.K. Singh, in his affidavit has stated that the investigation in the FIR has already been transferred to the CBI, and thus Rhea's plea seeking for a transfer of probe to Mumbai stands infructuous. He also added that Rhea has been influencing witnesses in the case. Remember, Rhea in her fresh affidavit has stated that she has no objection to the CBI investigation here if ordered by the Supreme Court, but she wants to move the case from Patna to Mumbai. Let's quickly cut across to Anisha joining us live. Anisha, the Supreme Court now in a little while to take up the matter in court. It's going to hear who is to investigate the case. But nonetheless, we know that CBI has already initiated the probe.
Well, yes, Nabila, the question of jurisdiction is what hangs in the balance before the Supreme Court. Remember, if the Bihar police's FIR has been argued by Maharashtra as well as Rhea Chakraborty, both of them have said that the Bihar police could not and should not have filed the FIR in the first place. However, had they filed an FIR, it should have been a zero FIR, which should then have been transferred to Mumbai. Now, what their argument is that the Bihar FIR itself is illegal, and therefore any CBI and ED probe coming from that FIR is also prima facie illegal, and that is why they want that the investigation should be left to Mumbai. Rhea Chakraborty, as you was just saying, in the fresh affidavit has also pointed out that there seems to be certain political angles to this entire story. She has claimed that she's being made a scapegoat of a political agenda. On the other hand, of course, Bihar government in its affidavit has argued that they did have the jurisdiction because Sushant's father, who is the main complainant in the case, resides in Patna and could not have gone to Mumbai to register an FIR. Now, all of this has been said by all sides. The centre, of course, saying that CBI probe has been ordered. So all of this will now be argued in the court, and we have to see how this turns out.
Absolutely. Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We do know while the top court is going to take up the matter, parallelly investigations are intensifying with the ED as